na ba 'to?
Oo.
Ito na yung interview?
Ay,
Okay, galing Akala ko like ano lang, 2017.
So parang halos bagong-bago.
I mean, started modeling mga 2014,
2017 ba yung Chinatown, Mr. and Miss?
2014.
Paano ka nakasali doon?
Parang nakita ko yung previous year, 2013, di ba? It was in ABS nga for the first time. Kasama ko tong Chinese maybe next year I can try.
Pero na-discover ka talaga sa Boracay?
Boracay. Oo, kasi uso before yung Lay Boracay. Nag-party-party lang, tapos may nag-approach lang sa akin na parang talent scout. Asked me if I wanted to be a model. Sabi ko sa mom ko, tinext ko siya, sabi ko, Ma, may nag-invite sa akin maging model. At that time, parang hindi ko man iisip na may itsura ko. For me at that time, maganda lang yung katawan ko kasi nga we were preparing for it.
Ilang taon ka lang noon? Nag-start ka ng mga ganun?
I was 18, I think.
Batang-bata pa. Parang, technically, parang halos totoy pa yun. Pag 18, 17, no?
oo.